Hey YouTube, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. I'm in the mode of upgrading my Hobby Plus CR-18P Trail Hunter, and I wanna put much heavier wheels and better tires to it. And today I received the Injora brass wheels or brass rims I ordered for this. They look awesome in my opinion, and they are super heavy compared to normal metal beadlocks or to the plastic beadlocks of the Rockvan and the Trail Hunter. And how heavy are they? Come on. Without screws, 41.4 grams, so about 42 gram, nearly 42 gram each rim. And I'm really interested if those heavy wheels will improve the climbing performance, so the ability to climb steep inclines, and maybe reduce this quite awful tire lift, which is worse in the T-Hunter than in the Rockvan. And therefore I will now simply put those, including new tires I ordered. I don't know, that's a kind of illness men have, ordering new rims and tires. I guess I do have more than 20 different types of Injora and RC four-wheel drive tires, and a ton of metal beadlock rims. Those are, I didn't have those before, with S5 super sticky compound. Wow. And they are only a little bit larger, 62 millimeters, than the stock CR-18P tires with 58 millimeters. And I want to see what only those super heavy rims and tires will bring in performance upgrade. And therefore I will now not take my Trail Hunter because it's disassembled. I will take my Rockvan, which is more or less still stock. I only changed the bushings to ball bearings and changed the lights and mounted fog lights. And I know how steep it can climb, 51 degrees. I did already do my microcrawler capability test, episode 17 with the Rockvan, and also the stock Trail Hunter can do 51 degrees. And I will simply take it now and exchange the stock tires and rims against those super nice and heavy beadlocks and those new super sticky tires. And then I will check if this improves the climbing performance, so if it can do more than 51 degrees then, and also if it does maybe lift its left front tire a little bit less than it does now. So let's mount those tires to the rims. So tires mounted, not super easy, but easier than RC four-wheel drive 1.0 stamped steels. Tires are directional. Injora gives you 2 longer screws to make mounting easier, but I took even longer screws. Those are 1.4 millimeter screws. You need a 1.3 millimeter hex driver. Tires are directional. Yeah, and now let's compare them to the Rockvan tires. So here are the Rockvan tires. The Injora rims to have super negative offset. So negative offset means the wheel sits farther out of the center of the truck. And that's why I bought them, because I hoped to be able to mount them on the portal axles, which is not so easy, but many wheels or some wheels will not fit. But you see here the Injora wheels to have significantly higher more negative offset than the stock wheels of the Rockvan. And let's compare the weight. Injora wheel and tire to have 56.39, 56.4 grams, and the stock tires to have 14.9 with this hub, 15.1 grams, where those 56, so more than 30 gram difference per wheel now, 120 gram more. Let's mount the tires and check how they will fit. So here they are, they fit nicely, no danger of rubbing here. Hope you can see it on camera. There's quite a bit of room between tire and portal axle housing. They are directional, take care when mounting those. I had to remove one, the first tire. Yeah, they look super cool, and 120 grams more now. So first let's check the stand. The stand is a little bit wider. Check the picture for comparison here, because they have negative offset. And now let's check how the rock van will do in climbing with those new tires and super heavy rims, 130 gram more and much stickier tires and softer tires. It could do 51 degrees on a rough surface with the stock tires, and let's check if it can climb steeper now. So here the rock van with stock tires at 51 degrees. This was the maximum it could do with stock tires, and it needed several tries to do this. It's doing hard and lifting its tire, its left front tire a bit. And now with the Injora brass wheels and the new tires, much easier, no problem. 52 degrees with the Injora tires. It also lifts its front tire, but can do it without big problems. 53 degrees and it's already struggling, and again lifting its left front tire. But finally can do 53 degrees and 54 degrees. Several tries, and this was the by far best attempt at 54 degrees, and it finally failed. So 53 degrees, nearly 54 degrees instead of 51 degrees with stock wheels and tires. Honestly, I would have had expected a bit more. 53 or 53.5 degree is good, but not super good. But of course, battery is mounted on the back side, battery front will improve this again, and probably because of its huge body, it will never be a super climber. But what I expect even more, because of the wider stand and the super heavy wheels, is a better tilt angle. With stock tires, it had a tilt angle to the left of 40.1 degrees and to the right of 41.8 degrees. Much better than the Hunter. And let's check it only roughly how it is, how it does now. Of course, that's calibrated. I only want light. This is now to the left side. To the left side it had 40.1 degrees. And now let's check how much it can do now. 41 is already more. 42 degrees. 43. 44. 45 degrees. 46 degrees. Wow. 47 degrees. So wow, that's a significant improvement. 47 degrees to the left side, only 40.1 with the stock tires, and now 47. And to the right side, of course that's now not as exact as I do in my MCCTs. 41.8 was the result to the right side with stock tires. And now, come on, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47, also more than 47 degrees. So wow, that's now a big improvement. This was not a super exact measurement, but 47 degrees, more than 47 degrees now to the left and to the right. This is a huge improvement. This is a really good results. So that's it for this video now. I really like those heavy rims, and tires seem to be extremely soft and sticky too. This is this new V5 compound. That's the first tire with this compound from Injora I bought, and yeah, super soft, super sticky, super cool truck. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. I'll be back.